So if you're into orchids, and many of you are, and you like to sit in your garden, I have an idea for you. An orchid bench. Look at this. All you need is a bench and a little bit of wood, some screws. And you can customize your bench by screwing onto it a little back platform. In this case, we have arching plywood. That's just simply plywood cut in the arch to match the bench and stained to match. And within that arch, you're going to see little pieces of plywood. In fact, there are a lot of pieces of plywood that get left over from construction, little pieces that they can't use. Look, here's like about a 5-inch by 5-inch platform, and another one, and another one, and another one. See how that works? You just screw them simply here. 1, 2 screws, 1, 2 screws, 1, 2 screws, all the way. This is a pretty fantastic idea. This is at the Fairchild Tropical Botanical Garden in Miami, which you should come to. And it's at the dedication for Shani Levine, and she actually looked like she didn't have the longest life, but I'm sure she's living on in spirit right here. So yeah, there you go. Beautiful orchid DIY project for you. You heard it here first. True Plant Stories.